Ready to supercharge your desktop support skills? Let's dive in. Previously, we explored the motherboard, the backbone of your PC. Now let's focus on its dynamic duo, the processor and memory. The processor, often called the CPU, is the mastermind, executing instructions at lightning speed. We'll dive into different types and brands of processors and teach you how to match them perfectly with your motherboard. Memory, or RAM, is your system's short-term memory, crucial for multitasking and performance. Over the years, memory technologies have evolved dramatically. Supporting a mix of desktops and laptops means you'll encounter a variety of memory modules, both new and legacy. Replacing a bad memory module might seem simple, but without a solid grasp of memory technologies, it can turn into a complex puzzle. Don't worry, we've got you covered. Both processors and memory modules are field replaceable units, or FRUs. We'll guide you through installing and upgrading them, ensuring you can boost your system's performance with confidence. Ready to become a desktop support wizard? Let's unlock the secrets to mastering processors and memory.